Welcome to a V2U Research exclusive. Today, we aren't just looking at the surface. We're breaking down the ASX200 with the precision of our V2U Insight engine. The S&P ASX200 finished the day modestly higher, closing at 8958.90. That's a gain of 21.8 points, or 0.24% for the session. While the open was strong, our analysts noted a clear period of consolidation on the 15-minute time frame as the day progressed. At V2U Research, we leverage a global network of expert analysts to provide context that the standard news outlets often miss. Zooming out, the index has advanced 1.03% over the past 5 sessions, showing resilient strength in the face of macro headwinds. We're currently trading just 1.71% below the 52-week high. This is a critical psychological level that the V2U Research approach monitors closely. Technically, the index remains firmly above a key demand zone between 8,672 and 8,708. This area has held strong all month. On the upside, immediate resistance sits near 9,100, a level where our Insight engine has detected significant selling interest. The 14-day RSI stands at 55.97. This neutral reading suggests the market isn't overextended yet, but caution is warranted. Global macroeconomic developments continue to drive short-term volatility. This is where V2U's active risk management shines. Sector performance was highly mixed today. Let's look at where the capital was flowing and where it was retreating. Materials were the clear leader today, rising 1.28% as the big iron ore players found significant buyer support. Consumer discretionary rose over 0.5%, with staples and healthcare also managing to close in positive territory. A-REITs were the biggest laggard, dropping 1.05%, while information technology and industrials also struggled. Telecommunication services and utilities faced pressure as well, closing modestly lower as bond yields fluctuated. Our V2U research approach is built on 2 pillars: data-driven insights and institutional-grade risk management. In individual stocks, JB Hi-Fi was the day's standout, surging 8.113% on a massive wave of investor optimism. ProMedicus followed with a 7.68% gain, reinforcing its position as a top-tier performer in the Australian tech sector. Conversely, Reliance Worldwide saw the largest decline, tumbling over 9% as the market digested their latest updates. Lynas Rare Earths also faced significant headwinds, declining 5.52% in what was a volatile session for miners. BHP Group stole the spotlight today, delivering an earnings result that exceeded even the most bullish expectations. With revenue jumping 11% to roughly $28 billion, BHP continues to demonstrate why it's a global leader. The stock touched a record intraday high before finishing 4.7% higher, a massive move for a company of this size. The strength in BHP wasn't shared by everyone. Evolution Mining dipped, while Rio Tinto managed a late recovery. Judo Capital also impressed, with profit rising 46% to nearly $60 million, sparking a 2.4% gain in its shares. Challenger Limited reported a staggering 369% increase in net profit, reaching $339 million. Despite a massive share buyback announcement, the stock fell 2.3% as investors remained wary of the long-term outlook. Ready for more? V2U Research offers premium subscription services for serious investors seeking a deeper edge. Our global analyst network ensures that you stay ahead of the curve from Sydney to Wall Street. All eyes now shift to the U.S. reopening overnight, which will be the primary driver for global sentiment tomorrow. We're also watching January's UK unemployment figures, as any deviation could spark near-term global volatility. If you found this deep dive useful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for daily V2U updates. What's on your stock watch list this week? Share your picks in the comments. We read every single one. Remember to trade responsibly and manage your risk. Our V2U Insight engine is here to help you navigate. Thank you for watching the V2U Research ASX Closing Bell. I'm signing off. We'll see you in the next update.
Disclaimer: the information contained in this publication is general in nature and has been prepared without taking into account your objectives, financial situation, or needs. It is provided by Titan Security, holder of Australian Financial Services, license number 307040. It is not intended to constitute personal financial advice. Investing and trading involve risk, and past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. You should consider your own objectives, financial situation, and needs before acting on any information contained herein. You should also read our financial services guide and, where relevant, the product disclosure statement and target market determination issued by the product provider. These documents are available upon request. Titan Securities accepts no liability for any loss or damage arising from reliance on this information.